Hey there everyone, my name is Ayush and 2024 is ending now and 2024 is coming now after the 1 month and hope you guys are energetic about the upcoming year of 2025 and I hope that you have made plans about it, what you want to achieve in 2025 and you haven't achieved in 2024 for some reason. So 2025 is I say it is a very upcoming or new era in the I say in the tech field. It is very I say a new thing for developers, for the students who are learning the technology, who are learning the software development or say software engineering. And in 2024, there are happening lots of things. There are coming lots of massive tools, lots of softwares, websites, and lots of things have changed in the 1 year. And in the AI, in the field of AI, data science, and machine learning, and many students are scared about AI. And in that thing, that the content, the YouTube contents are changed, and students are afraid about it. The upcoming era, how the 2025 will go, and in 2025 how we can plan about it, and how we can took our career, and how we can shift it into in 2025, and they didn't have too much a guide about how to learn our programming, and for beginners how to learn programming in AI era, and lots of things, lots of code are written by AI. So we doesn't need and we cannot matter now. So that types of thinking happens in for students. So I'm also a student who are learning web development, and the AI is for me also for sometimes scary about it. So my goal is clear, and this is the third video of mine in this channel, and last three video I have been uploaded of a backend, and I have to make this video for 2025 for students who are just starting and planning after 2025. And I say you have to plan after 1 month ago, and before the year will be started, and ending of the month, ending of the year of 2024. So I think we have to make a proper plan about the carriers, about the how to plan, how to be consistent about our programming, coding, like, and how to earn money. And at the end of the day, you have to earn money also. Not you are at the whole year, whole life. You can just learning. You have to do some different unique things also. Okay, so that thing also matter, and for students who are learning in the IT field and other field, I doesn't know how it will work, but the students who are learning in tech fields, in the market there are lots of stuffs are available, and lots of content are very complex to figure out what to take and what to not take. And many of the YouTubers say you can earn money from AI, from you can make $100 million. Okay, don't I'm not saying for all the YouTubers, but many of the YouTubers say that the you can earn money from AI. You can make a application, you can make chatbot without a code, and to make that free code, or to say to make a no code website, that we have to code to make that website. So that is and to make a good for 2025. It is not working. It is not working. And it's not when you're learning, but that is not very very like it is not very easy to learn web development, app development in 6 months. It takes 1 year also or 2 years also. But the thing is called consistency. And how to make consistency, that is important. And consistency not never matters in my life. Yes, consistency matter for different. Yes, consistent. Yes, consistency matter in field of software development. Yes, but if we doesn't have a proper clear path, if we doesn't have a clear resources, or we doesn't have a resources, we doesn't have a clear path or some mentors, then how can we consistent about it? We cannot consistent. We get distracted about it. Like if we are learning something, then there are from laptop or say mobile phone, then there is a YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and lots of things happen in the internet. And your messages, friends messages, and your circle or your environment is also of that type. So it is very very hard to do consistency when we have a lots of resources also. Like we have resources of YouTube, we can learn from YouTube also. And in YouTube there are lots of content available and freely available. Like there are free code camp, there are lots of channels who can teach the lots of high paying skills. And there are lots of websites, there are lots of resources available internet free. And there are lots of courses which are almost very very low cost, but their value is very much high. But also we cannot consistent because of the distractions, because of the YouTube. We have lots of contents, there are lots of videos will come and go, and you cannot think about it. I go for 5 minutes, you go for 5 minutes to look to watch YouTube or Instagram, and you spend 5 hours. And how can we consistent? And it is not our fault. Yes, it is not our fault. It is the time, it is the age which it is the age which age we cannot consider. We are distracted, our mind is not fully focused. So we doesn't have a clear path, we doesn't have a proper mentor, we doesn't have proper guidelines mentor to teach us. If you follow this path, you can do lots of stuff from other people. And we also distracted. And it is okay to be distracted. And I getting distracted, I get lots of things to explore it. Like I have know how to edit video, I have know how to do animation, but I don't know how to make a full video of the full potential to. And I know how to edit video, I know how to develop, I know how to animate a video, and how to edit a video in Photoshop. Sorry, how to edit photo in Photoshop, how to make thumbnails, and but also I'm in programming field. How I'm in programming field because I have now a one only goal in my life. And you have to, if you doesn't know how what to do, then you already get distracted. Then try lots of field, try lots of field for at least 1 to 2 weeks, and you get more clarity about it. If you are learning software engineering or you are learning web development, if you are not interested, if you are not that much passionate about it, if you have a proper time, okay, if you have a time, if you doesn't have too much responsibility about family, then you can explore it. But if your age is now to earn money, you have some responsibility, and you you have only one option to earn money from any cost. Then you can explore lots of field how they work. So that is important. And in the next video, I will give you a proper roadmap of the web development of 2025. And this is the video for you to clarify that what are the things we have to be pre-considered before learning any skill. And we cannot focus on this basic requirement of our human psychology. And this is the main reason where every people get out of this while they are starting something. And when people is starting something, they have only one motivation. And when people started learning any skill now, they only look one thing. They look how much we can earn from this skill, how we can make lots of money from these skills. And this is the main reason also. And it is important, and if we cannot earn money from, if we cannot earn money from that skill what we are putting lots of hard work, lots of our money, or yes, money also, yes, and happiness, lots of nights why we put for to earn money, to get happiness, to grow in our life. So that is the important things which we have to be make first while learning in any skill, and to plan anything. First we have to try lots of fields for 1 to 2 weeks, and before 2025, make sure that don't be too much distracted. If you have a distraction, okay, get distracted. Just look your parents. They are becoming day by day old age, and your age is also growing, and you have lots of responsibility come, probably 1 to 2 years, or say 5 to 6 years. You will marry, you will you have responsibility in that time. You have to doesn't know how to program a simple program also, or say you cannot do anything in your life. Then you have to learn today. You have to plan today, and to plan that thing, you have a focus, you have a proper goal. I want to do this. And if you are like every time looking just a motivational video, and you just look the other people video, like they explain something and like catchy edits, and your primary life will you, if you not focus, then that is very harsh thing to you, and that will at the end of the day you will only regret. You'll only regret uh, for your what you have learned, what you have look, what you have just do that all things which cannot matter in your life. And every day you just look this type of video, and now 2025 will come, and this type of video, this is a trending video now. How to plan 6 month video will come now. And I have also looked that video, this type of video, past 2 years ago. This much for the today video, and in the next video I will make a proper roadmap about the 2025 and with AI, and what the impact will be created throughout AI in the IT field and web development. So, and see you in the next one, and the backend video will come after probably 2 to 3 days, and learning many of the stuff this time right now. And see you in the next one, in the next video. Thank you so much.